Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom, then tap on this icon, and here you can see power off option. Now just touch and hold it, then tap on safe mode. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode, and the restart is complete. And now you can see in my phone safe mode is enabled. Now if you want to disable safe mode, just swipe from top to bottom, and here you can see tap here to turn off safe mode. Then just tap here, then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode, and the restart is complete. And now you can see safe mode is disabled. Now you have to swipe from top to bottom, then turn off flight mode from here, and it's done. And that is how you can turn on or turn off safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.